Good morning to all. Myself Ms.S.Veeralakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, the Standard Fireworks Rajatnam College for Women. In this video, we see about examination and identification of blood sample in forensic serology. Learning objectives, bodily fluids, presumptive test and confirmative test. What are bodily fluids? Bodily fluids are liquids that originates from inside the body of humans such as blood, semen and saliva. Blood is the most common fluid for using forensic science. Biological stains in the dried state are readily stable and can be detected months or years after being deposited. How to identify bodily fluids? First one, visual or physical examination. Normally, based on the experience of the analyst, it can only give a clue to the analyst. It is only evidence for the court law. Presumptive test. It tells the presence or absence of suspected fluid. Cannot confirm whether it's from animal or human blood. Confirmatory test. It gives a high degree of specificity for the body fluids in question. Next, false positive or false negative in results from presumptive test. False positive. Some presumptive and confirmatory testers can be react to the presence of the other substances aside the suspected fluids to give a positive result. False negative. Some presumptive and confirmative testers can give a negative result as a result of the suspected fluid being insufficient for the test. In this false negative and positive results are varied from reagents or kit failure. Presumptive test is for blood. First test is benzidine color test. Benzidine is a carcinogenic. It is not used in the forensic science. In this reaction, benzidine and blood stain and hydrogen peroxide will well mixed. In the final result, the color will be changed to pink color. Kastle-Meyer color test. In this test, used to chemicals phenolphthalein and blood stain and hydrogen peroxide. The compositions are mixed well and the final results will be checked by pink coloration. Next one, luminal test. It reacts with the blood to produce luminescence. Next test, hemastix, used to detect blood in urine but is now widely used to detect blood at the crime scene and in the laboratory. Reagent strips with TMB, that means tetramethyl benzidine ends. TMB changes from orange to green when it comes into contact with blood. In the next test, confirmation test is for blood. First one, Precipitin test. Combining human antiserum and human blood gives agglutination. This principle comes under has been employed in the production of many commercial kits. Example kits, Hemoxen OPTI kit. It requires only small amount of blood. The dried blood stains as old as 10 to 15 years works. Next test, electrophoretic method. It is used to human antibodies and blood stains are placed in wells on electrophoresis plates. Electrical current is used to move the antibodies and antigens towards each other. If antibodies and antigens moves to each other form a line of precipitation, it is human blood. Conclusion. Identification and analysis of various bodily fluids is paramount in the investigation of many times. Presumptive and confirmatory tests can be performed at the crime scenes with the advent of simple to use commercial kits. Thank you.